Which of these creatures would be studied by a lepidopterist? A, black mamba, or B, a small tortoiseshell, or C, an emperor tamarin? You've put black mamba.
Yeah, I've heard of the word Lepidopterist, but I couldn't quite nail it down on those three, so I was thinking, is it someone that looks at snakes?
Correct answer is... small tortoiseshell. Now, staying where you are, Chase has put... goes right with small tortoiseshell.
Lepidopterist studies butterflies. A mamba is a snake and an emperor tamarin is a type of monkey, so it had to be a small tortoiseshell.
A small tortoiseshell butterfly. It's in the question, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, OK.